In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of Trello boards. Transferring ownership in Trello basically means giving another person admin control of a board. Admins can manage members, change board settings, and even close or delete the board, so we'll walk through how to hand over that control carefully and clearly. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This page lists every board you can access, whether it's personal or part of a workspace. Take a moment to identify the exact board you want to hand off. It's a good idea to confirm the board name and workspace so you don't promote someone on the wrong board. Open the board you want to transfer. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This opens the Member and Sharing panel, which is where you invite people and manage their roles. If you don't see Share, make sure you have admin permissions on this board. Only board admins can grant admin access to others. In the Invite field, type the person's email address or their name if they're already part of your workspace. Trello will suggest matching users as you type. Be precise here. Inviting the correct account is essential. If your workspace restricts invites, you may need the person to be added to the workspace first, depending on your organization's settings. Click Share to send the invitation. If the person isn't already a member of the board, they'll be added. If Trello shows their status as pending, they'll need to accept the invite before you can finalize their role. You can still proceed to the next step once they're listed in the Members section. In the board members list, locate the person you just added or the person you want to make the new owner. You'll see role options next to their name. Click Admin to promote them. The admin label confirms they now have full administrative control of the board. At this point, you've effectively transferred ownership because admin permissions grant the same capabilities you've had. Take a moment to verify everything looks right. The new admin should appear with the admin badge, and they can immediately manage settings, power-ups, and members. For a smooth handoff, let them know that the change is complete and suggest they review the board's settings, including visibility and member lists, to ensure nothing is overlooked. That's it. Your board's ownership has been transferred. Keep your workspace policies in mind and always confirm you're promoting the correct person before clicking admin. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.